So have you ever wondered what you do with 102 kg tuna? Well, in my mind, you give it to one of the top restaurants at the port and see what they can do with it. Let's follow me and we'll go and see what Mauro does with our fish. Welcome to Mauro's, the best Italian restaurant in the port. Follow me. Hello! We're here for a tuna experience. There you go. Fantastic. Welcome. Thank you.
To the demonstration of what we have to do with Tim's tuna. It's as fresh as you're ever going to get, and it's
Let's
a lovely
take a look
little.
at it. Wow.
We call it a tuna sashimi. We cut it into a square, as you can see, perfectly square. Roll it into sesame seeds. Okay, and then what I want to do from here, we're going to fry. So I want you to watch how we fry, but it's like seconds. Seconds, because the reason why we're frying is to sear it, but also make the sesame seeds crunchy.
Busy, because Mauro is one of the best restaurateurs in our town. So here we go, let's watch. We're all picking up tips for the sesame seeds.
Here we go. First of all, we let the oil get hot, but not too hot, because the sesame seed starts popping like popcorn.
Yeah.
So there we go.
I've actually done that myself at home and almost taken one in the eye.
There you go.
There we go. So basically it's just a slice of the fillet, and as Mauro said, it's in a nice square and sesame seed coated. Brilliant. Simple.
So
we can do this at home.
This you can do at home. You can hear it sizzling away there. We want to sear it, but we don't want to cook it.
Okay.
So when you cut through it, it's still raw in the middle.
Okay. So how long would that be on, like the heat you've got?
So I would say 30 seconds aside.
Okay.
Oh, and what's happening is actually melting the sesame seeds into the tuna.
Wow.
Besides it giving the tuna crunchy flavor, you taste the nuttiness in it.
Sounds absolutely delicious. I'm starving. And I'm so excited. You know, 102 kg tuna. I mean, what do you do with it?
This is amazing. There we go. She's done.
Just like that. Wow.
So you
That
can
was
see the
quick.
paleness in it. It is quick.
Wow.
So I've made a special soya sauce here. That unfortunately is a secret.
So can we like maybe substitute with like a store-bought sauce?
No, always use soya, but not a strong salty one, the milder one.
Okay.
Because you don't want this thing to be too salty. I'm also not going to put too much soya in there.
Okay.
So what I do, I cut it into the first piece. I have to cut it off just to give you an idea what it looks like.
Okay, let me zoom in on this.
Do we got an idea?
Wow. So it's
That's
just
seared.
literally seared on the outside. Okay.
So I'm not cutting it too fat, because if you cut it too fat, you can't open your mouth wide enough to put it in.
But it's so good, I think I probably could.
You probably could. So there we go. I would like you to form it from the top down so you get an idea what it actually looks like on the spoon.
Wow. Look at that. It doesn't get fresher or better.
No. So from here, this is something that I've developed over 10 years. This dish. So now, we've got to cut the ginger to fit.
Okay.
I love ginger. Unfortunately, that's one of my flavors that I want you people to taste. So you've got a combination of flavors here.
So good for you as well.
This is a wasabi special mayonnaise that I've created as well, which you're going to see how much I put on here. So it doesn't give you the full wasabi burn, but it is made with a mayonnaise.
Okay.
Okay. And then I've got tempura crumbs. Here they are. This is done every day. It's made fresh and crispy. And so we do a little bit of the crumbs on top.
That's this, your tempura, and you've just crisped it up in the oven,
you just mix it with water and you pour it into the deep fried oil, and it bubbles up into little
wow,
pieces of crumbs that are crunchy.
divine.
So this entire lot is so crunchy.
So-
Oh, and we salt it as well. Just a little bit of seasoning on it so it gives it flavour.
What a clever idea. See, we're picking up tips here. I knew it was a good
Giving
thing.
away secrets that I'm not happy to do.
Trust me, Mauro, we're coming to you. None of us
It's
like...
a lot of work, but,
Yeah.
but the thing is, everybody can do their own little footprint as what they want to add to it.
For sure. But for the genuine article, they're going to come to the port and they're going to come meet you and see your big personality and the fine restaurant you're running. And I
So-
think that's where we're at.
Let's put one of these per...
Okay, guys, so I don't know about you guys, home chefs, but me, I check the skill. I don't have these kind of long tongs in my
You'll
house.
have to buy a set.
They don't look
this-
like anything I plucked my eyebrows with, that's for sure.
This, you eat in one go. Open your mouth, slide it in with the juice and everything.
Let's see if we can get Tim to
We're
give
going to
us
prepare
a
one for
demo
Tim.
on how to eat
And
it.
let's see what he says.
Okay. So here I am tonight with Captain Tim, my partner and love of my life. Looking forward to our seared tuna, and just what beautiful views. I mean, please, where do you get a world-class harbour like this with a restaurant? Really beautiful. Solo dates.
So, now the proof is in the pudding.
So excited! Bellissimo! You see, this is why I get a restaurant to do. The fresh tuna and the sesame seeds. Wow. Awesome. Bellissimo!
Thanks, Tim.
This looks amazing. Mauro.
Tim, bon appetito.
Oh, that looks fantastic, Mauro. Sure.
So what is this, Mauro?
So, what I did, I took the tuna, I rolled it in sesame seeds the same way, seared it on the outside in oil, and then I finished it with a secret thing, butter. Put in a bit of butter, I'm sorry for your cholesterol. Just gives it flavour. A nice salad, a little bit of soya, wasabi mayonnaise,
Wow.
and some ginger.
Wow.
We're so excited to try this.
Yeah,
How do you feel
so
about
good.
that, Tim?
That looks fantastic.
Oh,
Thank you, Mauro.
let's have a taste. Let's see how
Wow.
this is.
First time I'm going to be eating the,
Let's see.
This is the one with the
a
Toro.
taste test.
wow. Fantastic. This is from the belly of the tuna,
Yeah.
which is highly prized worldwide. It's called the Toro, the fat content in the stomach. It tastes immediate. It's almost like a steak, a beef steak with fat in it. It's amazing.
Super. I can't wait for my portion. Wow. Bellissimo on the mark with Captain Tim and Bridget. Bellissimo or Delissimo.